Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the first time I'm coming across this channel. Please do me a huge favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. If I already subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. If you already subscribed here before, you still come back to watch my video. My returning subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate you. Thank you guys. So what we will talk about for this channel today, we say go for what you want. Go then to a day of mind say this like this thing and this particular thing na dey your mind wey you wan do, just go do am. Don't listen to wetin person go talk. If you say you know say this thing you wan do and this thing really dey your mind o, go for wetin you want. Why a particular come out come talk this video, come make this video today? Because I first talk something like this yesterday for the video where I post. I come say no, I need to come out come still talk am by myself again. I need to show myself for camera. May I come talk this issue to my people. So many, especially us wey be Nigerians, and we say if something go there our mind now, we say abeg this thing na for woman. If I do this thing, they go come dey laugh me, or if this thing na for man, or they come do this or those things go dey laugh me. No, those anything you can do anything. You know say this thing that thing you dey your mind. You know say you dey passion of that. You know say you fit do that thing. My sister and my brother, go for that way you want. No listen to wetin person go talk. Other person go laugh you. Your person no go laugh you. Who cares? Don't know that one even dey your mind at all. Just go for that particular way you want. That way you know say you want. So that way you know say you like. So that way you know say if you do and you will feel do and you get the power to do and you get the strength, you get the energy, you get the feeling. Say this thing I feel do and go for that way you want. Don't listen to wetin people go talk. Because anything people go talk, and they are mad. They must surely talk. They go talk now wetin we come when for concern in a society for concern ourselves be that one be say people must surely talk. No matter wetin you do, they go talk. Whether the thing good o, all you know good o, they go talk. Okay, like the video wey I post yesterday about that young boy, that 40-year-old boy wey dey do hairdressing. He say when they start, when they do makeup artist, I mean, he say when he start to dey do the makeup, when he start to dey do that makeup, and some people dey laugh and they say, you go dey do girls work, you go dey do girls work, come like dey laugh am. Like seriously, all those now say I don't know that all those some say you never mature, you never comot for where you dey. Now those mentality be that one. Say this one na for girl work or this one na boy work. Tell me that particular thing there. For example, say if boy dey make hair, if girl dey if boy dey make up, tell you if that girl store dey there, that boy store dey there, and they tell you if girl sef na that boy still go like to go dey make their hair. If they wan do makeup, na that boy still go like to go make dem go dey make their make dem go dey do wetin dem wan do. I remember time say I dey learn work. As I dey learn for near our store like this, one boy dey wey dey learn work for near our store for there. But because of say that boy dey there, because of that one, the boy girls dey like to go that store go dey make their hair. Dem dey like to just go there, just go make their hair. Even though dem say person you no fit make am just make you do your own something, make you do am separately, or make you do dey different. You wan do something say because say dem go laugh me say na girl, which one be girl work, which one be girl, which one be boy work? Who write am say this one na girl work, or who write am say that one na boy work? Wetin know say this thing you fit do am o, you get the passion of that thing. My sister, my brother, go for that way you want. Go for wetin you want. Why make una help me share this video, because this video wey I dey talk about, this topic wey I dey talk today, e fit help many people. Like for example now, you get wetin you wan do. Like for example now, you guys, like for example now, may I take example say for example you wan marry this particular person, you come go meet your friend say I wan marry this person o, may I marry am? How you think about it? If he discourage you, say this thing don't go for that one, now you won't go marry this one. No, take the decision wey be say if you make that decision, now you go regret am by yourself. Say I wish I not for not do this one. There's the wisdom in the Bible say now once they made mistake, don't they make mistake twice. If you want make that mistake second time, you go say now this thing now do that day. You know how to learn from that mistake when you make that day. We say you go talk say may I come ask for this one, may I come. They go dey discourage you. Not be everybody even want your success. Not be everybody want make that thing make you do one. You don't know who person will get your bad belly. No one person will may want me you do this one, may you do that one. As you can't go meet that person and go ask, and as you don't discourage you, no one can your mind they go to do that particular thing you won't do. You no go get the power to go say that thing. You know the thing. You know say if something dey your mind, you go like man this thing make I do am, make I do am, make I do am. Because say make you go share am with person, go share am person wey be say you no fit get your good mind before. Because only your heart you don't know about another person. Na only all you know. You don't know about another person. You go outside, you go meet that person, see wetin I want. You go discourage you. When you discourage you finish, that thing you go do am. Maybe for example, that thing no go go well for you. No dey go dey regret. I wish I know. I wish I know. Tell yourself, I wish I know for the mistake wey you caused yourself. When you say this thing, now even though you made that mistake, you go blame yourself. Say, I wish I know. I for not do this thing. Then now next time you go learn how to, you go know how to learn from that mistake wey you first make. We say you can't go dey ask people. People go dey discourage you. Say, make this thing, may I do am, but this thing, may I not do am. Whether may you do am, may you not do am. Many people dey frustrated today. Many people dey confused. They dey inside different things wey they're supposed to do because of those things, because of this particular something. You won't do something like this. You can't go. Like for example, say you won't marry. You go meet person. You go. For example, say you won't marry. Then you can't call your parents or Nigeria. Say, I be one settle down. You will be saying if they bring money come for them. So no say if you don't go settle down, so the money no go. They come as they come before they come advise you say, we you never settle down. Maybe you just wait small. You be small picking. You be small picking. You be small picking. No say today woman be like flower. Don't be like men. We say if you feel married all the time, where they like all those kind of things. But say you feel married, yeah. You see that time, and let me just wait. Just wait. You feel married anytime when you like. Just wait first. So they go dey discourage you. They go dey discourage you. Last. No, you don't use your body finish. No, you don't get anything again. You don't get what you want to achieve again. That time now you can't dey frustrated. They say, I wish I know that time I for do. I for don't listen what that person does. What that person tell me. Go for what you want. That's when, if you don't say you will like person, you want marry that person. That person, go marry that person who you love. Don't they ask person for opinion. Now you like that person. Don't be that person who go to ask for your opinion. Don't be that person like normally say if you ask the person for advice, say advice me for a particular thing where I won't do. Person if you advice, let me say everything wey person tell you now you go take. Take some and leave some. Let me say a person just tell you everything, you will just take everything wey person tell you. If person tell you something you fall for inside river, you come for inside river. Take some, you leave some. Make some mistake say if you make and you go regret about yourself. You go learn from it next time. When say you go let people they advise you, they spoil your mind, say what you want to do, they go they discourage you. For Europe, yeah, we go see as a woman, men they do hairdressing, men they do cleaning work, any work at all. Women they ride big cars, and nothing women know they do. All the even paint itself, they paint wall. Women they do anything that they do. But for Nigeria now, if you want to say, make me go they do, make me go they do this one, make me will be woman who can go they paint wall, maybe some nothing. No say that if you know say you like that one, no listen what people go talk, because people must surely talk. Now that work, but that one say they go talk. They go talk. You know say you like that something. What you want, my brother, my sister. If you want something, if you want that particular something, you know say that thing you like them, you feel do one. Go for wetin you want. Na wetin be the topic wey I come talk about today. Go for wetin you want. Even though people dey laugh you, they no go laugh you. Go for wetin you want because they must surely laugh. Na so they come. Na so we come see ourselves for this society wey we dey today. They must surely laugh. All those people say that they laugh you, say this, they do this one, you don't just if you don't they do one, and they go even like me now. They go like to dey benefit for inside. They go like to dey benefit for inside. You get one video where I watch for Facebook about one girl where they do Okada. So if you won't do Okada, there's kind of they laugh am. Say why you won't go they do Okada? If you want to just tell you carry yourself so low, can't go they do Okada, they laugh am. But once you go they do the Okada, now they go they enter inside the bike. Now they go they sit down for in front of themselves because I better carry me. You just so I better help me make you drop me for this place. I better me help me make you drop me for this place. Now so they always be. They will say, may you not do something. That if you don't do one, say you don't get small money. Now they will still come me to say, I bet borrow me so thing now. I bet just give me so thing. I will give you back. I'll give you back. No. And also, now don't say people advise you that time. Say me you don't do that thing. No. And they tell you say no do. Why you wait woman? You can't do so thing. You want to fall hand. You want to less yourself. You want to carry yourself less. No dey listen to wetin people dey talk. If you like particular something, no say that you fit do one. You get passion for that thing. You like that something that is you fit do one. You get the strength. You get the energy. My brother, my sister, go for what you want. No listen to wetin people go talk about the decision wey you don take for your life. not that people dey tell you say do like this, do like that. No, take decision for yourself. Take decision for yourself. Wetin you go do, take decision for yourself. You no come be pikin again. You that doctor you be. Take decision for yourself. Even though you be pikin, no be everything people tell you, no be you go take. Least you go take some, you leave some. So guys, now I for drop my video today. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up, and make you still comment your whole opinion of what you think about this my topic today. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Bye. I see you guys on my next video.